Like it? Oh my God, she's
Good
back.
morning.
My lady's back.
Hi guys! Good morning! Nag-almusal kami dito sa Denny's. Ayan. Denny's. Breakfast. So, pili tayo ng ating almusal. Good morning guys! Nag-almusal tayo dito sa Denny's. For now, nabimili lang kami na aming kakainin. So, I'm looking for something na fish and shrimp kasi yun yung paborito ko. Pero, parang gusto ko try itong labo. I think you will like this. Country fried steak and eggs.
Yeah, I like that. I usually that's my usual.
So, ito yung in-order namin. Ito kay Pedro. Country fried steak. Okay. Oh! You should add labo.
Huh?
Add $3.89, $3, and you will have your garden salad. Look at that. You should order that for me.
I want this for you.
Yeah, I like that.
No truck to travel.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It just pop up? Wow. Send that to me nga, love. I wanna see that again. And then, ako naman, ito, wild Alaska salmon. Salmon siya. Pero yung sides ko, pinalitan ko ng egg. Kasi ito, vegetable tsaka rice. Pinalitan ko yung sa akin na egg at tsaka hash brown. So, yun. Tapos coffee tsaka Pepsi lang kami. Don provecho, asawa.
Thank you.
Kain na tayo, guys. Sarap. Almusal. Oh, I like ketchup. Oh no, I'm gonna try. Oh no, can I have your gravy, please? Sarap ng gravy nila, guys. So may salmon tayo.
Mashed potato?
I like their salmon. Gamitin ko yung gravy ni asawa.
Wait.
That's mashed potato. They're
Really soft.
Yeah, really soft.
Not the typical mashed potato. That's weird. Okay.
And then hash brown.
That one's good. You like it? You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
You sure?
You like it, love?
Oh.
Yung tayo dito ang garlic bread. Egg tayo.
My baby's doing a review.
Pero nagkikrave ako sa maalat na egg. Pagtagan natin ng pepper, yung egg lang. You can have it in everything. In sa hash brown, saka sa egg. Nagkikrave ako sa maalat. Perfect.
You like the salmon?
Yeah.
¿Se tiene okay here?
Yeah.
¿Le traigo más cafecito?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. Sarap. Enjoy your meal?
And you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But, comment ko lang sa mashed potato nila. Sobrang soft. But the taste is the taste of the
That's
mashed
fine.
potato.
It's just
good.
different. Yeah.
So soft. I think before it's not that soft.
No, I made them different. Yeah.
¿Qué tal el steak con gravy? ¿Estuvo bien o...?
Yeah, estuvo bien.
Ok, aquí tiene más café.
That's
Can
all.
you have the salad?
Ya, de salad.
Thank you. Nag-add kami ng salad. Garden salad. If you dip the garlic bread, love,
It's good, huh?
the gravy is good.
Yeah.
It's like you're dipping it in a cream of soup.
Yeah. You like? That's that.
Sarap. I like it.
Kape. You brought a lot of coffee now.
Wait.
We're alone here, so.
Ito kasi sa Denny's, unlimited kape. I think this is for $6 or $3 lang.
I don't know. They're not supposed to leave that. I don't know why he left it. But he left it. They're not supposed to.
Because we're so far.
I think. I think so.
Unlimited kape dito ka. So then,
And you put 3 of the blue ones. Oh, I wasted them. 1 blue and 2 of the other ones. 3 of the other ones. You like it sweet.
how many love?
I
how
put
many
2
of-
only. I put 2.
Two of this. Ito yung half delight. Na creamer.
But I put 2 of vanilla. But we ran out.
See? Gawin natin. Kutsilyo. Gamit ko yung ano eh. So bitter. Can we take another? Or a sugar? No?
One more.
Meron ka
And
na-
vanilla. Put vanilla too.
No,
It'll help.
vanilla.
Vanilla is sweeter.
No, vanilla anymore. Up here.
Oh, sweeter.
It's okay now. Yeah.
I'm full.
Yeah, really?
These 2 make me full.
It's really a lot.
That potato tastes different. Really soft.
Yeah.
And it tastes like mayonnaise instead of potato.
Talaga?
Yeah, I don't know.
Tikman natin yung ano nila. Mashed
I don't know
potato
why.
nila.
It's weird. It's not bad. It's just too soft.
No. Butter. They put a lot of butter.
Possibly.
Thank you.
That's a lot, love. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. You know that?
This is the salad. You
Yeah,
should eat
no.
this also, love.
No. I'm full.
Garden salad.
I'm already full. Come on, man. You ordered so much food. And it was so, we have to give it away.